Hey guys, have you ever been just driving down the road, highway, byway, whichever, and all of a sudden your radio cuts out, station isn't receptible anymore, and you kind of wonder, is there a station that I can get to play the same song that I was listening to because I was all into it, and yeah, well, now I lost reception. Well, no is the answer. It never works that way. There's never another station playing the same damn song, and good luck finding one, even if there was. I got tired of this crappy ass radio that I have here, and it is going to get replaced at some point. But I have literally hundreds of hours worth of music, all in FLAC files. I have CDs galore, and clearly there's no CD player available here in this pick 'em up truck. It's a very lackluster, kind of a crap ass radio. What do you do with that? How do you play my library through some piece of crap like that? I mean, there's not even an aux input. I got nothing there. And then it hit me. It literally hit me in an email, because it was I got a sales flyer from Newegg, and I saw an FM transmitter was on sale, and I thought, duh, I knew those things were available. I never thought of it. I never thought of doing that. So what I did, I broke down and I bought the sale item. I bought this guy. I'm not doing a review on it. I'm just going to show you how freaking cool this thing is. It's awesome. I'm telling you. Here's the little device. The only tiny little thing that it is. There ain't nothing to her. I could put it into, that one there, or this one here. I guess I'll put it in this one here. Plug it in. And it goes, boop. It says, wants a Bluetooth connection. Now, I don't have, I know everybody else does, but I don't have a cell phone. What I do have is a tablet. My wife has a cell phone. I have the tablet. Because, well, I don't know, just because. Ooh, can we do this without the glare? Maybe. How's that? That's a little better, I guess. Are we connected? Yeah, connected. I mean, boom, it's that quick. There's no muss, no fuss, no BS involved. I like this. So, yeah. Let's get up here a little closer. It automatically found a station, 98.5. So you take your radio here. Did I turn it off? I think I turned it off. Oh, it is already on 98.5. Cranking the volume. You can hear that static, right? That's gonna go away when this thing starts pumping out. And two, it's super simple to just hit the channel button. Here, let me show you a little closer here. Hit the channel button. Yeah. And now I found another one at 105.7, so I can just tune to 105.7. Oops, right past it. See if that's any quieter. Yeah, that might be a little quieter, but it doesn't matter. It's all going to go away when this thing starts putting out. I would suggest try to find your quietest station, and so that I don't get any BS copyright, blah blah, YouTube and all that jazz, I am going to play YouTube music from their free library. Where's my thing of a thing? Yeah, I should have gone there. Go here, YouTube music. Let's try that. Wait a minute, what the hell? There we go. I have what you're hearing. Oh man, is it focusing? It's kind of in my face. Microphone's up there. Actually, you can control the volume here. And 2, control it here. I think that's pretty neat. I don't know. Do you like that song? Where's my folder thingy? Let's try this one. These are songs that I've used in my videos in the past. I don't want any copyright BS. I mean, that easy. Anyway, it has other bells and whistles. For example, it has that little telephone icon. You can answer a phone. I mean, if you're Bluetooth linked to your cell phone, which, you know, clearly tablet, not a phone, but if you're Bluetooth linked to a cell phone and you get a call coming in, your phone will ring. You can answer it right there. You can hear the person talking to you through your automotive speakers, and then you can talk. There's a, why don't I show you? There is a little hole right there. That little hole. That's for it's a microphone, and it has well, it has some noise cancellation feature crap. You know, it'll cut down on all the background noise. Whatever, people like it, and that's not what I'm talking about here, because I'm not even going to show you any of that. No, I'm not going to test any of that. I'm just impressed by how good it sounds. I mean, even these fat, crappy, you know, stock speakers, they're just crap. It's all going to get replaced sooner than later, but in the meantime, as long as I have either a smartphone or, you know, my tablet here, this is what I'm going to constantly use with it, you know, I can play my music. I don't got to worry about the garbage reception that this thing gets. This is the worst radio ever. I swear to you. I've had radios, stereos, you name them, in so many different makes and models of vehicles over the years, the 40 years, I'm old now. A little over 45 now, but whatever. In the years that I've been around and driving and whatnot, I have some experience with these automotive stereos, aftermarket, and everything in between. This is the worst friggin' radio for reception that I have ever used in my entire life. My home stereo that doesn't even have an antenna gets better reception, I swear to you, than this thing. And it doesn't even have an antenna. So, you know what I mean. I can't pick up a freaking radio station that is literally 15 miles away from me. This thing is crap. So, for me, you know, having something like that and something like that, very needed thing. And I am thrilled with this. I'm just disappointed that it took me this long to realize it, and it took literally an email sales flyer for me to, you know, say, duh. So hopefully this helps you out. You know, hopefully you don't waste, you know, all that time if you weren't thinking along these lines, if you didn't realize that even something like this existed. Well, now you know. I mean, the FM transmitters, they've been around forever. Since, like back in the days when we had tape cassettes and that kind of crap. CD was just hitting the market. Well, how do you make a tape player play a CD? So you had two options there. You had that little adapter cartridge you could stick into your tape player, and then you could use the aux out or the headphone out of your like portable Walkman CD player, and you could pump it in, you know, that way, or you could do an FM transmitter. I mean, this is not new tech, but it is. This version is, because it has that fast charger. It's Anchor brand. ROAV. Focus. ROAV. It's got the quick charger thing. Where the hell does it say it? Man, I am so blind anymore, it's not funny. It is right there. It's right there on the front. Focus. Can you see? I'm probably too close. Yeah, I think you can read that. Yeah, it's the Power IQ, quick charge, whatever, blah, 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 that noise. Anyway, you know, simple type A and a simple type C. It's fast charger on, you know, and it charges on both ports simultaneously. So I just thought I'd make a little short and sweet video about this because I think that's so freaking cool. I paid 20 bucks for it from Newegg. It was on sale. Normally it's 30. I got it for 20. I mean, it's a no-brainer if you ask me. It also has an auxiliary out on the far side. If you have an aux input for, you know, your radio head unit, you can hardwire, and then you can still transmit Bluetooth to a hardwire connection. You don't have to use the FM transmitter or the radio at all. That would be probably your best connection, your cleanest connection. As you can clearly see here, I don't got that option, so my only option is FM, and it works good. I mean, listen, that is not bad. I don't have a problem with that. So yeah, I think my tablet just shut off. 7% battery. Yeah, I should have thought a little past my nose before making this video. Anywho, I'm gonna wrap up here. I just wanted to show and tell that real quick. I think this is freaking cool. If you got the same problem that I have with crap radio stereo, easy fix, man. Guys, girls, ladies, gentlemen, 20 bucks is what I paid for it. Newegg on sale. It's a valid option, you know, for cheap and dirty. I don't know how you're gonna beat it. So all right, guys, hope this was a little bit helpful. And hey, cheers.